Imagine an aircraft that takes off straight up like a helicopter, then transforms in midair to fly like a fast airplane. Sounds like science fiction, right? But the MV-22 Osprey does exactly this, and it's been flying real missions for nearly 2 decades. Today, let's break down how this remarkable machine actually works. For decades, the military faced a frustrating choice. Helicopters could land almost anywhere and hover in place, perfect for rescues and tight landing zones. But they were slow, usually maxing out around 150 miles per hour. Airplanes, on the other hand, could fly fast and far, but they needed long runways. What if you could combine both abilities into one aircraft? That's exactly why the Osprey was created. The secret is in those two massive rotors at the end of each wing. Each rotor is 38 feet across and is powered by a Rolls-Royce turboshaft engine. Here's where the magic happens. When the Osprey is ready to take off, both rotors point straight up toward the sky, just like helicopter blades. The engines spin these rotors, creating lift that pulls the aircraft straight up into the air. No runway needed. But here's the clever part. Once the Osprey reaches a safe altitude, the entire engine units, called nacelle, slowly tilt forward. The rotors rotate 90 degrees until they're facing forward like propellers on a regular airplane. In this airplane mode, the Osprey can fly over 300 miles per hour, more than twice as fast as the helicopter it replaced. When it's time to land, the rotors simply tilt back up, and the Osprey gently descends vertically to the ground. Inside the cabin, the Osprey can carry 24 fully equipped combat troops or up to 20,000 pounds of cargo. That's roughly the weight of 6 cars. The U.S. Marine Corps uses it for everything from transporting soldiers into combat zones to delivering emergency supplies during disasters. It has a crew of 4, 2 pilots who fly the aircraft and 2 crew chiefs who manage the cargo and passengers. The Osprey has some other impressive tricks. When it needs to land on a ship, space is extremely tight, so the wings can rotate 90 degrees to align with the body, and the rotor blades fold inward. This makes the aircraft much more compact, allowing it to fit on crowded Navy ship decks. The Osprey can also refuel while flying. A tanker aircraft extends a fuel hose, and the Osprey connects to it mid-flight. This gives it incredible range. With refueling, it can fly over 2,100 nautical miles, allowing it to cross entire oceans without landing. While the MV-22 is the main version used by the Marines, there are 2 other types. The Air Force flies the CV-22, which has extra fuel tanks and special radar for sneaking into enemy territory at night. The Navy recently started using the CMV-22 to deliver supplies, spare parts, and mail to aircraft carriers far out at sea. Right now, in early 2026, the Osprey fleet is going through important upgrades. After some accidents revealed problems with the gearbox components, every aircraft is being fitted with stronger parts made from specially treated steel and new sensors that can detect problems before they become dangerous. Once these upgrades are complete this spring, the Osprey will continue serving as one of the most versatile aircraft in the sky, proving that sometimes the best solution is to refuse to choose between 2 options and simply do both.